Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create VFX with AI using Higgsfield AI. So firstly, open up Higgsfield and log into your account if you have an account. So once I've logged in here to your account, so what we're going to do, click on the create option here and then click on video. So click on create and then select video. Okay, so this will take you to the video generator here. So now you're going to use the image which you want to create the VFX or to work on, or you can either upload the image if you already have it, or you can generate it. So it's up to you. So I'm just going to upload it. So I'm just going to upload an image. So I'm going to click on it and then to upload an image. So let me just choose one image that I can probably use for these demo here. So I'll use this one probably. Okay, I'll just use these cat photo here, so I'll just use this image here. So once you have uploaded the image, okay, and what we're going to do here is we're going to on top of here, this is where the VFX or the visual effects are. What you're going to do, click on the change option here. So there's a little change option, click on the change. So when you click on change, this will show you all the all the VFX effects, all the presets are here. So you can choose any one of these which you want to. Okay, so you can simply choose any one of these. Okay, so for example, there's a building explosion here, so if you want, you can choose that. So for example, I will choose that. Okay, I'm going to choose that, the building explosion. Okay, and the prompt, you can say what you want the video to do. So for example, like I want the background tower in the video to explode while the cat doesn't move or react, something like that. So just write your prompt. Right, something like this. See, the background tower explodes while the cat is not bothered. So just write your prompt, whatever you want to. And the model, you can just leave it as Higgsfield Light, or if you want, you can just change any of the models here, but I'll just leave it as it is. That's fine. And there are a few other parameters which you can set here. So you can select all this duration, speed, and all those things. If you want to modify, you can do that. And once you're done with that, so what you're going to do is simply click on this generate option here. So when you click on generate, what happened, it generates the video and it's going to cost you 5 points. Okay, so and that's how you actually generate the video using Higgsfield.